Have your mind blown by the weirdest creatures on Earth? Let's start with the immortal jellyfish. Yep, there's a jellyfish that can actually reverse its age. Basically living forever. Talk about the ultimate anti-aging hack. Next up, elephants. You know they never forget, but did you know they can hear with their feet? Vibrations from miles away travel through the ground right into their bones. Then there's the axolotl, the smiling salamander. If it loses a limb or even part of its heart, it just grows it back, good as new. And get this, wombat poop is cube-shaped. Seriously, nature's little building blocks. Animals are full of surprises, so next time you see one, remember, there's a world of weirdness just beneath the surface. Stay curious.